Okay, now we're gonna do a really long one. If you notice here, I started doing a really long one and then I messed myself up with my counting. And so I'm starting over. So I have some white out. But we're gonna do this with lead, which has 82 electrons. And I'm gonna be better at keeping my little notes so that I don't lose track of where I am. So we're gonna start with the 1s. 1s can hold up to 2 electrons, so I'm gonna have 1s2. After 1s is 2s, which holds 2 electrons. So now we have a total of 2 plus 2 is 4 electrons. I'm really going to be really keeping track of myself here because I messed up already. After 2s is 2p, which holds 6 electrons. So we're now at 10 total electrons. After 2p is 3s, which holds 2 electrons. So I'm at 12 electrons. I'm probably being a little bit too crazy about counting, but hey, I can be crazy. After 3s is 3p, and 3 and p can hold up to 6 electrons. So now that gets me to 18 electrons. After 3p is 4s. 4s can hold 2 electrons, which gets me to 20 electrons. After 4s is 3d, and d can hold up to 10 electrons because it has the 5 boxes and each one can hold 2. So that gives me 10 electrons. So that gives me a total of 30 electrons. I definitely am not on the line anymore because of the whiteout. We'll just keep going. After 3d is 4p. 4p holds 6. That gets me to 36 electrons. After 4p is 5s, which holds 2 electrons, which is 38 total electrons. After 5s is 4d, which holds, again, d holds 10 electrons. And so that's going to get me to 48 total electrons at 4d. Working my way up. This is a lot of electrons to get to 82, but we're almost there. After 4d is 5p. 5p holds 6 electrons, which is going to get me to 54 electrons. After 5p is 6s, and s holds 2, which gets me to 56 electrons. But now, after 6s, we finally get to the f block, f electrons. So we're at 4f. F has 7 orbitals at 7 different orientations of its orbital, so it can hold up to 14 electrons. And so 56 plus 14 is 70 electrons have now been counted. After 4F, we get to 5D. 5D can hold up to 10 electrons. We have 12 left because we have 82 at 70. So I'm going to put all 10 in here, which will get me to 80 electrons. Then after that, I get to 6P. P can hold, sorry about that. P can hold up to 6 electrons, but because we're at 80 and we have 82, we only have 2 left. So I'm going to put 6P2. Hopefully that wasn't too confusing with me starting over on that. I guess you didn't see me begin it the first time. But that's how I would do the electron configuration for lead. Similarly to what I did before, I'm going to give you a couple to try on your own, and then I'll make a video on how to do those. So I would like you guys to do the electron configuration notation for selenium, Se, and I'd like you to do it for, let's go with magnesium. All right. I did not give you guys crazy long ones to do. So do those and then watch the next video to see how they're done.